What's up, guys? We're back. We're gonna be reacting to
Troublemaker by Rema.
He Still Can Read.
Yes, I was born like this. Just joking, colonized. So many chains.
How many dues where the boy don't pay? How many insult I go take out? Dress your shit like I'm Jago. Have like this straight from the get-go. I know they take, I see loose bread. If you miss your show, you know see me, I go take. I'm up my money cause I promote a desperate. Me gonna no vest, and my money be my money. Many my gun, be the people I red. Oh my I red for the green, that's the yellow. Some call me IB, some call me Olo. Keep who I really be on a low low. Day and night, some my guys they hustle. Every penny they touch in my circle. I the best my ups make them restless on schedule. Them say I be troublemaker. I go disturb everybody. Living me, make I do my own. I'ma don't judge me.
That sounds good.
Very
That
good.
sounds good. That sounds
Man,
very good.
shout out to Do aka TRP. Like that guy, he changed the musical landscape of Africa in a very short space of time. It's like everyone is doing like the lock drum, piano tempo. Come on, he's a solidified. He's an icon at this point.
Use every easy. You better say they know coming nobody. I go still pass everybody, even though they will not use extra. You better they know coming nobody. I go still pass everybody, even though they will not use extra. You better relocate at the compulosa. Even if in a red, I go tackle. She in a pex, you go peck. I'm aware of me, I know they talk, but try me first. Better save your money, this game no be by best friend. For my first line since I was 17, you know steady grinding. Nothing when you go show me where go really surprise me. I'm a many my gun, be the people I read. Oh my I read for the green, I see yellow. Some call me IB, some call me Olo. Keep who I really be on a low low. Day and night, some my guys they hustle. Every penny they touch in my circle. Why the best my
Wait, is this him? It's not him, right?
It looks like that guy on Wild Announce. I forgot his name. The short guy.
Ski!
That guy. I think that's him.
It's him.
Yeah.
Wow. He was supposed to be light skinned with tattoos, I guess. Wait, does he have tattoos?
make them restless on schedule. Them say I be troublemaker. I go disturb everybody. Living me, make I do my own. I'ma don't judge me. Make use every easy. You better say they know coming nobody. I go still pass everybody, even those they will not use extra. Them say I be troublemaker. I go disturb everybody. Living me, make I do my own. I'ma don't judge me. Make use every easy. You better say they know coming nobody. I go still pass everybody, even those they will not use extra shit.
Sounds
was
good.
crazy.
Video was great.
I'm confused about
sounds
the video.
I liked it. I liked
It's a nice video, but I didn't get it.
Hey man, it's not.
I didn't get it. But yeah. I knew his song ability is gonna be insane. Clearly, Ice Spice is the problem. Because in that feature with Ice Spice, I was like, what's going on? But in any case,
Leave
now,
Ice Spice alone.
yeah, man, the song is it's very good.
The song is very good. The song
And
is amazing.
poof, we need more. He needs to give us more and more and more and more.
The
And
video
more.
was well shot. Also, shout out to the director, the cinematographers, all of them.
Yeah. At this point, it's like no one can claim to be the artist in Nigeria now.
Yeah.
It's not. No one has a clear victory because now it's Davido,
No one
Burna
can
Boy, Rema.
No one can
Wizkid,
say
come
that
on.
they fucking lose dog and holding its head.
Okay,
No one can say that.
Mr.
It's help.
Adjectives. Anyway, guys, please like this video. Give us a subscribe. Let's get to 500 subs very soon. And
Soon.
please give us a like. Helps us grow.
Pretty, please. Can I have some water, sir?
No. Can you have a like? Please. Like, subscribe. Please share this video. Comment below. Let us know more stuff you need to know about Rema and artists who are like. But until then,
Ooh, now it's focused on me.
yes, and your
Oh my God.
prepubescent face.